everyone, my name is Anushri Gajibie, student of Breathe Science Institute in a batch of 17th of Pharma. Today, I will tell you about the respiratory system. The respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that help you breathe, that like breathing. It includes your airway, lungs and blood vessels. The muscles that can power your lungs are also part of the respiratory system. This part work together to move oxygen throughout the body and clean out waste gases like carbon dioxide. There are main parts of the respiratory system, that are the seven part of the respiratory system. It consists of the nose, mouth, mouth, thorax, that likes pharynx, voice box, windpipe, airway, and lungs. Respiratory system has many functions, being helping you inhale, that are breathe in, and exhale, that are breathe out. It allow you talk to smell warm air to match your body temperature and moistures it to the humidity level your body needs. Delivers oxygen to cells in your body. Removes removes waste gases including carbon dioxide from the body when you exhale. Then protect your airway from harmful substances and irritants. Anatomy. There are respiratory system as many different parts that work together to help you breathe. Each group part has many separate components, like your airway delivery air to your lungs. Your ears are a complicated system that includes your mouth and that is the mouth and nose. The mouth and nose opening that pull air from outside your body into your respiratory system. Then sinuses, hollow area between the bones in your head, that help regulate the temperature and humidity of the air you inhale. Then thorax tube that deliver air from your mouth and nose to the trachea. Bronchial tubes at bottom to your windpipe that connect into each lungs. Then lungs are two organs that remove oxygen from the air and pass into your blood. From your lungs, your bloodstream delivers oxygen to all your organs and other tissues. Then muscles and bones help move to the air you inhale into and out of your lungs. Then some of the bone and muscles in a respiratory system include your then diaphragm muscles that help you lungs pull air then and push it out. Rib bones that surround and protect your lungs and heart. Then when you breathe out, your blood carries carbon dioxide and other waste out of the body. Other component that work with the lungs and blood vessel include then capillaries. Capillaries are the blood vessel in the alveoli alveoli walls and move oxygen and carbon dioxide lung loops. That a section of the lung. There are three loops in the right lungs uh, and two in the left lungs. Then pleura, thin sacs that surround each lungs lobe and separate your lungs from the chest wall. Some of the other component of your respiratory system include then a tissue flap at the entrance to the trachea and close when you swallow to keep food and liquid out your pathway out to your airway. Thank you.